Google has recently announced some changes in the content policies and restrictions specifically related to sexual content. If you notice, sexually explicit content is still under policies, while sexual content is under restrictions. Restriction means Google will still allow some ads still served on that type of content, but only a limited number of advertisers will be eligible. So sometimes you will see blank ads, or sometimes you will see some ads served. The demand, in short, is going to be very limited. Sexually explicit content is somewhat different. It's under policies, which means Google will not allow any ads served at all. None of the advertisers will be eligible to monetize such content. Let's take a look at some examples of sexual content under content restrictions. And here are some examples for sexually explicit content under content policies. Visit Google's Publisher Policies Help Center for more information.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.